All right, we are in one of our condos, and our goal is for you to have aha moments when you come to Branson and you're staying in one of our condos. And so hopefully when you walk in the door, it's an aha moment. It's like, this is really nice, it's really clean. We try to take really good care of them. So this is one of our condos. Some of them have the recliners, and then the two bedrooms have a love seat there to give a little more seating. One of the things that's really cool when you walk in the door is you'll see in almost all of our condos, they've got these little footstools, and they are stuff that you can use. This little top pops off and you can put some things in there. You can also turn this over and do it like that and play games on it. So it's kind of a cool little feature. Sometimes people don't know you can do that, so I thought I'd show it to you. One of the questions we get a lot is about the air conditioning, and I'll do a video on how to use the air conditioning, but let's just do a quick tour. So some of the other amenities, everything is listed in this book over here. Every condo has one of these books that has all the information in it that you could ever want. So if there's any questions you have, look in there and that'll give you all the answers. We also have a visitor guest book. Please sign it. Write us a little story about your stay. Let us know how things went. As you'll see over to the right, brand new televisions and lots of games and things for your family to play. There's also the Branson Chamber Guide there that has some great coupons in it and things for you, so make sure you look at that. Underneath it is a map of Branson, so you can see, if you're not familiar with Branson, where to go and where things are located. Over as you come into the condo, you'll see there's a really nice area here for you to eat at or do work at, whichever you need to do. There's also, as you can see, there's a couple chairs there for you. There's more chairs in the other rooms, so you've got plenty of seating if you need it. A little gift basket for you. Got some popcorn in there and some snacks, so when you arrive, you're not immediately hungry. If you are immediately hungry, you can go grab something to eat. And there's a couple of really nice little discount cards there. One of them is 10% off at the Branson Cafe. The other gets you a free donut or coffee at Parlor Donuts, which is amazing. Both those are within walking distance of here. As you can see, we have a full kitchen. Really, really nice, well-equipped kitchen with everything you could want, including my favorite, the Keurig coffee machine, with lots and lots of good options for coffee. So that's important to me, so I was hoping it was important to our guests, and just a really, really nice kitchen, and it's very well equipped. I mean, everything you could want or need for your stay. We've got everything up here. You've got a blender, a mixer, a blender, a toaster right above the sink. All the different items that you could want. There's pots and pans somewhere around here. There's your dishes. There's your pots and pans. So just about everything you could want while you're here is in there. When you come into the bedroom, you'll see the bedroom is very well equipped. Now this is a one bedroom, so it's a little different than our two bedrooms. The one bedroom, they all have king size beds. They all have 12-inch memory foam, brand new bed, so really nice. That's in all the condos and all the rooms. They've all got nice televisions. All of our TVs are smart TVs, so please bring your logins for YouTube or Netflix or Amazon or any of those things so you can utilize them. The one bedrooms have got this area right here to hang all of your clothing on. They've also got some extra bedding up there and an iron and those type of things, an area down here to put your luggage. You'll notice that all of our condos have kind of theme-based lighting. They've all got these extra plug-ins by the bed for you that have USB as well as alarm clocks. And then when you walk into the bathrooms, you'll see that, let me turn the light. On the one bedrooms, the lights are outside the bathroom. That's always a question we get. So turn on your lights and come in. Again, very nice, clean bathrooms with all the things that you could want or need. There's shampoo in here. There's makeup wipes. There's even some little eye covers there for at night when you're sleeping. If it's not dark enough for you, you can use that. And it's a large bathroom with plenty of towels, really nice shower, just a great area. And again, our goal is to keep it super, super clean for you. This closet's just got the hot water heater in it and a little broom and stuff. Okay, in a two bedroom, you'd walk out of here, and when you walk over to this side, there's another bedroom and bathroom that's identical. So you have the exact same thing on both sides with the living area in the middle. You've also got your trash can, and there's a dumpster outside if you need to take that out. Wi-Fi, that's always a question, Wi-Fi information. Some of the rooms have this little Wi-Fi board. If it doesn't have that, then it's right inside your welcome book. So that's a quick tour. I'm also going to go into some detail on how to use some of the items in other videos. We're excited that you're going to be staying with us, and we hope you have plenty of aha moments while you're here.